Assalamu alaikum. Hi dear students and friends. Myself Akil Ahmed. Welcome to my channel. So, dear students, let's resume our chapter number 1 of Primary School English Grammar and Composition by Wren Martin.
This is the primary book of Wren Martin series, and we did the first lecture a few months ago, but due to some busy activities, now we are going to resume it, and inshallah we will continue it with no hindrances, inshallah. So the second lecture of today's lecture, we have completed unit number 1 and a noun, and we read up to page number 8. Now we are going to solve exercise number 1. The exercise number 1, complete the word under each picture. Now you are seeing different pictures, and these pictures are showing the names of nouns. So we have to complete these pictures by putting the right or correct name. If you see the first picture, and this is the picture of shoe we wear. Now H has been given. So what the other letters come to complete the noun or complete the word? So we are going to write down here. First we write S, O, E, shoe. Another thing you see, this is a pot, and the name is kettle. Kettle, kettle. Another thing we see, this is, everybody knows by seeing the picture, ant. This is star, with no doubt. What do you see this? This is, everybody knows, everybody possesses, called tooth. Simple I. And what is this? I think this is the name, and we call it nurse. Okay, I think this is something like when we travel anywhere and we have it. This is tent. The other picture on page number 9. These are the pictures. We see this is a cube-like structure, and we see this is eyes. This is rabbit. And what do you see this? This is ox. Iron. No doubt ladder. Sorry, ladder, L here. Then A and other D, ladder. Ear. Ear with it. Apple, A for apple. Leaf. Needle. Yes, what do you see this? I think pouring something, so this is rain. Ink and nail. So these are the names of common things. We generally say these are the nouns, and noun is the naming word. Exercise number 2, pick out the nouns in the following sentences. यहाँ पे हमने क्या करना है, एक एक सेंटेंस पढ़कर उसमें से नाउन को पिक करना है. ठीक है, तो हम पिक किस तरह भी कर सकते हैं. अगर रफ पेज है या रफ कॉपी है, तो आप एक सेंटेंस लिखकर उसमें आप क्या कर सकते हैं, अलग अलग से लिख सकते हैं, या यहीं पर अंडरलाइन करके उसको शो कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, तो आसान यही रहेगा हमारे लिए, क्योंकि हम बुक ही पर एक्सरसाइज सॉल्व कर रहे हैं, तो हम इसको बुक ही पर क्या करते हैं, लिख रहे हैं, यहाँ पर मार्क लगा रहे हैं ताकि आप आइडेंटिफाई कर सकें नाउन को. तो यहाँ पर सबसे पहले फर्स्ट सेंटेंस है अहमद वेंट टू बाय स्कूल बुक्स. Ahmed went to buy school books. Now Ahmed is the name of person, so this is a noun, and school is also a name of place where we study, where children study, where students study, and books are also nouns. Lion, lion is a noun, and animal is also a noun. Ants, plural noun. So there is no another noun in the third sentence. The fourth one is ink. Ink is noun and ink pot is also noun. Books noun and desk is also noun. Sun is a noun and sky is also noun. Number 7, bread is a noun. Floor is also a noun. The earth. Earth is the noun and the sun is also noun. We did it in the sentence number 6. Dog is also noun and thief is a noun. Birds, plural nouns. Trees, nouns. Wolf is also noun. Goat, noun. Bird, noun. Tree is also a noun. And we see parrot in the last sentence. The 13th one is parrot. On page number 10, we have some other sentences. We have to find out the nouns or pick out the nouns from these. 14. Is there any water in the pot? Yes, water is noun and pot is also noun. Foxes, plural of fox, and holes. सुराख को हम कहते हैं holes, और ग्राउंड बड़ा मैदान जो होता है मैदान को कहते हैं. हामिद नाउन है. अच्छा, लेटर भी नाउन है और फादर भी क्या है, नाउन. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डू द एक्सरसाइज नंबर 3. द एक्सरसाइज नंबर 3 सेज इन द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस पिक आउट द नाउन्स एंड डिवाइड देम इनटू 4 ग्रुप्स. नेम्स ऑफ पीपल, एनिमल्स, प्लेसेस एंड थिंग्स. ड्रॉ अ सिमिलर टेबल एज शोन बिलो in your notebook and write down the words. Now in the following sentences, ये जो नीचे दिए गए आपके पास sentences हैं, आप देख सकते हैं sentence number 1 to sentence number 23. इन 23 जो भी जुमले हैं इनमें से हमने क्या करना है, यहाँ पर जो गुंजाइश दी गई है, कैपेसिटी है, there is the capacity for each category of the noun. Only 3 nouns you have to write down from the following giving sentences. The rest of the sentences you have to pick out the nouns from them and you have to write down on your notebooks. So let's do here the activity exercise number 3. We have to find out first 3 people names. Now we have first Rashid. Rashid is the name of people, means person. So here we have to write down Rashid. Rana is also a name of person. We have to write down here, and Hamid. So from the first 3 sentences we have picked out the name of people and animals. Now search out 3 animals because we have the category of only 3 and capacity of only 3 animals. Sorry. Number 5th sentence, there you see horse. It is the name of animal. Dog, ये भी animal name है. और अगर हम देखें आगे जाकर शायद हमें तीसरा भी animal मिल जाए. जी, lion. ये देखें lion. So the third name mentions here about animals is lion. Now here the capacity for places names, only 3. You have to find out 3 places names. Rest of you have to do in your notebooks. Now places. Here you see Nasim, no, Lahore. Yes, Lahore. Lahore is the name of place. It is the name of city, oldest city of Pakistan, and Karachi is also another name of city. America, it is the name of place also and known is a country, America. So we have found out 3 places names. Now things names. Okay, we are searching for the first. Here you see knife. Knife is the name of thing. Knife. Book, you see it is also name of thing. Okay, we are going to, yes, flesh. Flesh is also name of thing. गोश्त, हम फ्लैश किसको कहते हैं? गोश्त को, जो हम जानवरों को गोश्त खाते हैं. Okay, sentence number, though on page number 11 this exercise stretches towards page number 11. So ये exercise number 3 जो ख़त्म होती है वो page number 11 तक जा रही है और ये आपने 27 sentences पर comprised of है. तो अदर जो आपने इनमें से जितने भी nouns आपको मिले, people, animals, places और things के, ये आपने अपने किस में लिखना है भाई? नोटबुक में लिखना है. ठीक है, तो चलें आगे चलते हैं. हम पजल अब सॉल्व करते हैं. पेज नंबर 11 पे पजल है हमारे पास और ये बहुत मज़ेदार पजल है. यहाँ पर देखें, कंप्लीट द वर्ड्स इन द स्क्वायर्स. सो दे आर ऑल नाउन्स. नाउ क्लूज हैव बीन गिवन. फर्स्ट क्लू, अ मंकी हैज़ अ लॉन्ग. नाउ नंबर वन, मंकी को क्या एक लॉन्ग टेल है. तो यहाँ पर हम टी के साथ स्टार्ट करेंगे ये वर्ड और ये कंप्लीट करेंगे TIL, लॉन्ग टेल. Another, the second clue, I saw him at the bus. मैंने इसे बस डैश पे देखा. तो बस स्टॉप होता है. तो ठीक है, यहाँ पर हम दे रहे हैं STOP, बस स्टॉप. तीसरे में देखें, टी हमारे पास 2 लेटर्स के बाद है. व्हाट इज द डैश टुडे? क्लू इज 6th. सो आई थिंक द वर्ड कंप्राइज ऑफ 4 लेटर्स हियर. डेट. डेट इज द मोस्ट सुटेबल. व्हाट इज द डेट टुडे? 6th डेट. 4th one, here you have to write the date first. 4th one, birds build this. बर्ड्स क्या बनाते हैं? नेस्ट बनाते हैं. तो NEST. द बॉय इज फ्लाइंग अ डैश. व्हाट डज अ बॉय फ्लाई? काइट. ओके, हियर इज काइट एंड दिस हियर इज नेस्ट. अ डैश ट्विंकल्स. स्टार ऑलवेज ट्विंकल्स. ओके, we put this to say that something is right. I think tick. We put tick for right answers. So students, we have completed today the chapter number 1. Chapter number 1 fully completed, and it is comprised of 3 exercises with 1 puzzle. So hope you have enjoyed and understood the things of the first chapter, and inshallah from tomorrow we will do the second chapter. So in the next